All right, today we're going to take a look at the iLumen8 Pocket Magnifier and show you how to change the batteries. All right, so here's a new battery, a new box rather, new unit. And there it is, an instruction manual inside. And the magnifier works right out of the box. Oh yeah, there's the light. Okay, so the magnifier has batteries in it to power the light. So after time, the batteries will wear out. It could take a month, it could take 6 months, really depends on how much you use the magnifier. So the magnifier still works without the light, which is great. You know, you don't need the light to make the thing operate, but the light is really nice to have. It's one of the reasons people buy the magnifier. And so we need to replace it every so often. And I'm going to show you how to do it right now. It's really simple. All right, so on some of our magnifiers, we actually have a little screw here which holds the battery cover in place. And I'm just basically using a same kind of screwdriver you'd use for a pair of eyeglasses, adjusting the temples. There we go, and that pops right off. And there's 2 button batteries in here. They call them button batteries because they're sizes of small buttons. They're really tiny. Take a look at that. Anyway, so to replace these, really quite simple. The key to remember, and this is on the diagram, which is right here, is that the batteries alternate. One goes up, one goes down. So in this case, you see the left battery is a plus on the left. Plus is this front side. And then the right battery is the negative, is facing up. And it's hard to touch with your fingers. There we go. And that's it. So you just alternate. And make sure that guy turns on, which it does. Perfect. And we'll screw it back in. Nice. Now you're good to go for another month or 6 months or even a year. It really depends on how much you use the magnifier. By the way, so this instruction manual is in every particular box, every box of the magnifier. But that said, you know, you lose the box, you misplace it or whatnot. And if you just go to our website, shown on here, www.shopilumen8.com, on there, we'll have this video posted, but we'll also have a copy of the manual. So you can take a look at this and just refer back to it. By the way, as far as the size of the battery, you need to double check which one. This particular model has the CR1220, but I think prior to the first half of 2018, some of the that model, it's just basically the same magnifier, except we had a different battery configuration, is a little bit different. So just open up your battery case and just take a look at the battery that you have, and then you'll know which one to replace it with. The best place to buy these batteries is online at Amazon or eBay, and you can find them really inexpensive. You buy like a 10-pack or a 20-pack for like $8, and you're set for like 5 years for batteries. So you really can't go wrong. It's always good to have some spares around. All right. Thanks for tuning in with us.